Severe public outrage over basic utility failures spilled onto the streets on Monday afternoon as residents of Purba, Manikya, Dewan ADC village staged a complete road blockade on the vital Karbook Jatanbari highway. The spontaneous agitation was triggered by crippling 3-day-long power outage that also choked the local drinking water supply. Dozens of furious villagers, including women and youth, gathered on the highway to block vehicle movement. Protesters alleged that a continuous lack of electricity for 72 hours had ground daily life to a complete halt. Crucially, without power, the local water pumps could not operate, triggering an acute drinking water crisis across the village. Local residents claimed that they had repeatedly knocked on the doors of the power department to register complaints, but authorities failed to initiate any rapid repair work, forcing them to take the extreme step of hitting the highway.
Under Karbook subdivision. As an oral Makutulaiman Inca, the Indian knowledge in our current cricket taker. The Nungana Bukere, Tokuzana Bukerenka, obviously public torture and Kumeha, Arishan, and minus and bite dog, or that in Lama Castle. And moreover, Sahara Kalaya, then personally, as your honorable Polkaya, report Boroha Borono, Karen Banga, Borok House, Tinipoyana, Borok Nokazak, Karen Sanavani. Tabak Grondi, Fry Duita Badla. Duita Badable, Musa Boroni, Lever of Faye, Boroni, Department Borok Faye, Kamankajaga, Natangaga, Taxudora Karen Kare. I amongst our bite dog, Lamakaswani, the Nagan, Karanagan Bank. Bonibai was from night, Basudora on night on ye. Attack already saying a gonta for a casumani. Pavli of young Payan Kangani already disturbed Loki Rogani. Yes, and Waso the SU Payasak, Consent Department Payasak, and Os Lamano, and Yakaya.
The blockade brought the Karbook Jatanbari road to a complete standstill, leaving public transport vehicles and freight trucks stranded in long queues on both sides of the road. Pure report, Chini Khorang.